So this video is about how to sort array with using recursion. So I'll come to directly point. What we are having, we have just an array list containing these elements, and we are printing before, then we are calling the sort function, then after. Now here comes the main logic. Uh, how sort function will work? Okay, so according to you, when the array is sorted, when it has single element, right? Single element, it in itself is sorted in increasing decreasing order both. Okay, so when we have single element, we'll return like our array is sorted. Now what my key point is, I'll follow just one rule: base case. If we have our base case, then we are good to go, and if not, then we'll make it to our base case, right? So how to make our base case? So first, what we want in our base case, single element, right? But we have multiple elements, so what we will do, we'll just remove the extra element. But since we are solving questions, so we cannot just remove and throw extra elements anywhere, so we'll store the element, last element, in a temporary variable. Okay, we are storing the last element, then we are removing here. Now we'll call the sort function again. What this loop will do, it will remove every single element until our size is 1. Okay, now once we have reached to the size 1, what we'll do, we'll insert, because whatever we just removed here, we need to insert it, right? We cannot just leave it like this, so we have to insert. Now how to insert, we have to insert, but how to insert? So we'll call the insert function. Now comes to insert function. So when we'll insert, again base case. What can be our base case? When we can insert, when our array list or array is empty, so we can insert directly without thinking anything. So this is the first case, like if size is 0, then we can insert. Or the second case can be, this is the most important case, that our last top element or the end element of the array list is smaller than our current element that need to be inserted. Then we can insert. Okay, this is our base case. But what if our base case is not fulfilled? As I said, one rule: if we don't have our base case, then make one. So we are making the base case. Now, how to make the base case? Base case is like our size should be 0. Here, our size should be 0. So, like above, what we'll do? We'll just store the top element in temporary variable, then we'll remove it from the list, and again we will call the insert function. Okay, note here, we are inserting the element, not the temporary variable. Okay, because we have to insert the element which we got from the sort function. Okay, now after inserting our current element, what we have to do, we have to insert that temporary variable again, because we popped it before calling the insert function, right? So we will add it and we'll just return it. Okay, so this is our output. This is before and this is after. Alright, now conclude. Let's conclude once more. Our our most important theory here. What is base case? Find it. If we have it, then well and good. If not, then make one. Okay, the simple strategy. And while making the base case, we need to keep some things in mind, like our variable should not get lost somewhere between. That's it.